Okay, so I got the firewall bead rolled, cut, and already ready to go. I just have to grind it and fit it into place. And another thing that I'm going to do before I do that, because I'm afraid that if I get going on the firewall, I could do a rust before I could get it treated. So I'm going to switch over and do something that I know needs to be done anyway, and that's get all these wires. So all the wire was gobbed up here. I shoved it all back down in there, covered it all up with a welding blanket. And now what I'm going to do, it goes up through that hole right there. So I'm going to cover those. And I'm going to cut this whole top off, get rid of this piece, and then I'm going to cut it here and here and here, and then the wires can come right out of the top and then lay up front here. So we'll start cutting this driver's section out of the way off the old motorhome, and that'll free up a little more room. There's the bead roller, or the firewall panel, kind of just thrown on there real quick, just see what it'd look like. Trying to decide if I want to take the body off and set it off to the side so I can finish it or not. But anyway, I'll get the plasma cutter all set up, then we'll come back to a time lapse.